enthusiasts. This is a short review of my latest purchase, the Braun Regie 350. This is a German brand Braun. It used to manufacture audio equipment until the 1990s in Germany, so it's truly made in Germany. And yeah, it was kind of a premium product at its time, and this was the smallest receiver in the program. And the manual, which is available online, if you Google it, says it was sold for 800 Deutschmarks in 1978. So that'll be around 1,000 euros today, or even more, I don't know. Braun used to be a premium product, and most of their stuff was designed by Dieter Rams, who was a famous designer in Germany and worldwide. And yeah, it looks nice, and it also sounds nice, and it really was a bargain. I found it via eBay, local eBay here in Berlin, for 40 euros, and all I had to do was use some contact spray for the push buttons here, and also for the sliding controls. They were a little bit scratchy, but there were no buttons missing, and all the lights are working, and there's also both channels are good, so that was really cool. The thing that most of the people don't like is that these receivers from Braun, even those from the 70s, they used to have not RCA connection cables, but DIN. It's also on the back. I can't show you because it's really a heavy receiver. It weighs about 9 kilos. And well, but you can buy for 10 euros, you can buy some adapters for the headphones, or for the inputs on the back, which are DIN to RCA. Yeah, so that's 40 euros plus 10 euros for the adapters, and some really little work with contact spray. Yeah, it really sounds nice. And one thing you should mention is that the tuner, because this is a receiver, as you can see, with 4 wavebands, long wave, medium wave, KW is like SW, that means short wave, and UKW, that's FM. And the FM waveband ends at 104 megahertz. And that's not even common in Germany now, because here the waveband goes to 108. So you lose some stations, especially here in Berlin, where you have a lot of FM stations. And I think there are 4 or 5 FM stations that you cannot receive with this FM receiver. So that's why I connected the Sangean DDR-47 BT, and it serves as a Bluetooth connection, CD player, DAB+, radio, and also for the rest of the FM waveband, and also as an auxiliary input for this nice little Sony Walkman. And this one is connected via line out to the Braun, with which only got 2 inputs on the back. It's got phono, no, three. It's got phono, band, and monitor. But you can only use band and monitor because phono is only for MM record players. And the record player that I own is a record player with built-in the built-in amplifier. Yeah. So you can only, to the phono, to the yellow button, that's a phono input, you can only connect a record player without an amplifier. So this is a very sensitive input. So right now I use the band for the record player and the monitor for the Sangean. It serves as CD player and radio and so on. Yeah, well, I also connected my headphones to it, so I could show you. This is really a lot of. This is 3.5 millimeters to 6.3 or 6.7, I don't know, and this one's going to DIN with it's a DIN Würfel in German. That means 5 connectors on the inside. So, and these connectors you need also on the back for connecting record player or other sources. Okay, for the rest of the video I'll play some music. I hope I won't get any copyright infringements with Glenn Gould for the 250-year-old Goldberg Variations by Johann Sebastian Bach. Okay, if yes, the video ends here. If not, enjoy the music. Bye bye.